Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're checking out these heated gloves. So let's open them up, show you guys what you get. Alright guys, so these are the batteries, and they are 5000 mAh, which is pretty good. You got an indicator light here, you can just press it to turn it on, and that shows you what your battery percentage is at. You charge them with the Type-C power cable, which they provide, and you get two, obviously, one for each glove. Now, these are the gloves. You have your on and off button right here. Nice insulated. You got your pocket right there for putting the battery in. Let's go ahead and show you how that works. Guys, you stick it out on the side in just like that, and then you don't have to do anything else. You go ahead and put the battery right back inside. Make sure you zipper this up. And before I forget, I do want to something I recommend. Number one, obviously, you got to take the battery out if you ever plan on washing this at all. And number two, I like to disconnect the battery when I'm done using the gloves. It's just a safety precaution I personally like to do. Guys, now once you put it in, if you just tap the on and off button, nothing happens, and that's just a safety feature. If you press and hold, it's going to light up red. Now that's full mode, so that's going to be full heating. If you press it again, it's going to drop down to the second bar. Press it again, it's going to drop down to the 1 bar. In person, you guys can easily see that. If you press it again, it goes up to 3, 2, 1. So low, high, medium, low, high, medium, low. So we're going to up it and see how fast it heats. So guys, for the strap, you just pull the strap to make it tight around your wrist. You can also make it tight right there by pulling that and loosening it up. It's heating up very fast, very soft inside. In fact, these are definitely in my top 5 gloves I've ever reviewed, heating gloves, because of how soft inside they are. Like, it is almost silk smooth inside, and it heats up pretty quick. It doesn't heat up rapid heat, which is good, because sometimes the ones that rapidly heat up, they actually wear out much faster. Overall, very impressed.